Welcome back to Toga TV. I want to like, share and subscribe. Drop a comment on the movie. An honest comment. Yeah, watch the movie to the end. Big up on yourself. Just like a relationship ago. Good and smooth and we now cuss, we now fight calm. As I said, the last relationship in like toxic and I don't like it. I mean, I know if you had that person there, you get toxic on that time. But I hope you're another person.
No, I'm not toxic. You just not give me no bone. I was good.
I'm not giving me a person, I give bone.
You see me give bone?
Only one day I give a bone through the Easter.
Oh, I must have
through the Easter.
So say that about you give me bone in a real life.
I'm going to give bone. You know me not there every day.
Yeah, one to when me not see you.
That's when you sleep.
Exactly.
That's the only time when I sleep.
When me
eye locked too.
No, when
my eye locked too. When you go sleep, me go sleep too.
See that me can't see you now.
Sometimes me drop.
You could have give me bone and me not see. Me eye shut. Me all blink.
Am I there in front of you?
Yeah, me not trust man. Me afraid to give me bone.
You don't trust me?
Me trust
and we are talking for 6 months now.
Yeah, but they can't give me bone at any time. To go
no,
watch
you. No, bone. Me I give you a bone, but I give you a bone for the first week.
I said that me kid.
No, me I say if me that give you, if me go give it to that I'm from way back then.
Oh.
You know go happen now.
Make sure no come.
You know go happen now. Just want you to trust me.
Me alright, me I got.
Can me trust you? I never yet accused you of talking. You realize that?
Don't stop accusing.
We never yet say you go to a man when you go shop. We never yet say when you go over your mother, a man you go chat to you. We never yet say so.
Alright, me don't stop accusing. Me trust you.
Can I feel that way you look where you say?
Hush, no hush. But that's so no man can. Someone I can understand.
No me. Don't put me in now. Don't make. I don't know where to say. What do you say again? I make one bad apple spoil the bunch.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes, we not accuse you again. We stop accusing.
No, stop going so much.
We go stop accusing. We go stop accusing.
Yeah, I will check it for you.
Yes, I like that. I don't see her. I don't want it here in a malice.
I have to come over there with you.
Yes.
I really like your friend chat long. I don't want to chat about what kind of girls. You know, like that.
How good so we are talk about when I talk about man. We are talk about.
You just like girl stuff.
Come talk about man.
Which man?
No, actually I said about girly girls.
Yeah.
Hey, Chris. Back here. There. You're clean. Yeah, girl.
Even.
Good evening. Let's just let me know. Let's have a sweep dirt for you. Yes. So, not your friend. Relationship will just change. Are you not calling me again? Then if you have money, me can just pop up, so. You don't have a problem. You don't have a problem. First move over there.
Yeah, me not have a problem.
See, you have a problem. So you can come over there, girl.
Oh, but say you know her. But she know her before she know me.
Exactly.
So would that be a bad?
Well,
just me tell her I said don't make you come up there again.
About 5 months now, me not see you. How long you known him then?
6 months.
You see? For your 5 you remember me. You tell me so me can just pop up a here yard.
Yeah, girl, see me walk on look for him. Me don't even left him. Me have to walk with him back at me.
Your handbag?
Yes, my purse. Cause
You don't so scam.
In a pocket the money then.
Come over here.
So you come for them.
She
Oh yeah, the watcher?
And she watch me.
I can't
watch
trust man.
And she watch.
Can't trust man. I can't trust man nowadays.
See, I say she not trust me in the car.
Then we
I
can.
know why.
And then you
What
have
if you just
And me, and when she going, me nah say me a coming. Nah, say me a go with her everywhere. Come on, come on.
So what you want to the yard for? You have something for yard?
Never say me a say.
So we are going with.
We don't do nothing at all. Before we ever talk about people's business, and yet, you know.
No, girl.
Girl, me need to get
I can't believe
one.
that really come to
And that really come to you about. I'm saying you chat about how we chat long. We used to sit down and chat long.
Yeah, when you're ready. Him can't wait. Not a problem.
Exactly.
Yeah, girl, you know what sit down.
Yeah, me I come sit down.
Like, we not done for now. So
You
I'm
know
gonna
what?
take a seat.
You want one? If you like
Come
you
on,
want
him
one.
all look for.
Me know. If you like you want
Don't
one.
make him go away.
No.
Come in.
If you like you want one, you can go on skills. Me not stop you.
More sweep off the sun.
So we have a lot of things to talk about.
I'm telling you, see how I talk long. I'm telling you.
Yeah, girl, so we are saying, now what go on?
Me not talk long.
Soon, man.
See no one know say the wanga belly girl I breathe now.
Who?
I don't know. Remember say he have 5 man. He have 5 man, so they don't know shame the father.
So the Anna for one, the other Anna for one, and the 2 footer for one, and the other for one.
Yet because he don't know about the father.
That's what make me know.
Yeah, you know how no
See,
man.
that's what I'm doing.
You know what, go on.
What's that?
Go on with him. Tomorrow you come take me. But you come with him, you know, come alone.
You can't talk.
But you interrupt with every minute.
Sir. Me go from food, sir.
Yeah.
Me say you don't have no man. You feel like say you want to leave. You think if you find a man. You feel like you want a man.
When the man ready to find me, he will find me. Me not look for him.
But if you don't left your yard, how you going to find man? Every day eat your breakfast. Man don't walk over.
The man live up on the internet. Where take the net for? I have a phone, you know, it just plug in.
The internet can't help you. The internet me find my man pan. I don't trust him, but he's a good man.
Well, me want to find man on the internet.
You not go work.
No, girl, me a work for me have food in my house, so me have water in my tank.
I don't work them here talk. Me talk about if you find my man by the time you not go work. If you find connection.
Don't worry about me and finding man. But then there, me a go find no man.
But she's can't find no man, you know. But I say my man say we are chat too long, so we not chat too long with them. We are going.
Alright, me a go back in, talk clean, me a clean.
No, I say, you can't talk in about it. You say you're ready. You say you're ready.
Come on, can you just look embarrassed?
Next time you come alone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You can't tell her later.
No, one, me no ramp them way there. Me not ramp them way there. Come
You just
on.
tell her friend later.
Come on, me not ramp them way there.
Are you here come to? No movie me at all. Me no know movie nothing right, you know.
What happened?
Kayla, the money when me put on in my house, who take it up? Are you?
Mommy, me take up my money for a man. Me walk up and with my boyfriend. How me take up money? Eh? Me no come to the yard none time. I go for my friend yard.
We can chat about my boyfriend. Say my man.
My man then move.
Anyway, you want to tell me say the one money when me get?
Take up money down your mother.
Oh, me take up my mother and back of you me there from morning. If me take up money, I'm here to take up the money.
So wait there. Are you in tail?
No, me
You in tail?
No, I'm a handbag.
Kayla, me I talk to you. Me not laugh. You know, no joke. Kayla, are you take up my money?
Me not take up my money, mommy.
Who else in the house to come there come take up my
Me
money?
nah go down there.
Mommy, how me take up money?
Anytime me follow you, me see out the door.
No, back of you. No, me the part from man. You know, if you take up money, tell him no. Tell
Tell
her.
him who you are
See a guy,
look like a
shop, so me no
man.
know.
See there, you know manners to me. I'm your mother.
Me have man, sorry, mommy.
No call me no him. Me no man. Where is my money that I leave in the
You have
house?
your mother money, give
Me
mother.
not take up no money.
I take it my money come on mine man.
No.
So where my money there?
Me don't know where they look good.
Me didn't see him come down there and you did in my house. So what?
Go down your mother this man in the guy shop.
Me no.
Why you look guilty? Why you smile? Killer? If I you take up the money and I run, apparently me Killer, which part the money there? If I you make me know.
No money there.
Killer, do you me that me will hobby you know?
Mommy, me not take up no money. Go on hobby.
Killer, me will make you walk on your nose and your eyelash. Because you not talk the truth.
Where you move for?
I hope when I start walk on your nose and your... Hey.
Because me know,
How much money, mister?
The science business.
Killer, a good amount of money me get from the woman to my partner job. Plus me when have money different from that and me put on the whole life one place. No, me not see it. Gone.
Mommy, listen to me, mama.
Me listen.
If I me take up the money, me take up all the money now. I take up the money little by little. And I all the money miss one time. I don't me take up the money.
Killer, and then you take it to
I don't me take it, no, don't me take it.
swear upon God life.
Me swear upon God life and I me take up the money.
And then you...
I don't me.
Alright.
I would deal with something important.
What you got to do with important?
I deal with something. I reach me. So I come back and tell you.
I don't understand.
Anywhere you go, your video call me. I'm going to the phone right now. You go video call me, see everything.
So Kayla, I want to know some. I want to do read my mind. I feel my mind on the read. Say me go come up here with no plan. So when me talk to you about my money, in take time and go. Cause you give me Kayla.
Me no give no money.
Me call you.
Me have to call me no video call too. Video call. You took the money.
Kayla, you love that the dirty boy there. I'm his son-in-law, but me not tell you lie. Me like him, but he look like I say he did hungry and you take me money again. Cause that the shirt the way you have and that the nice shots. And I never seen with it before. Kayla, you take me money buy clothes, the man.
He no have money. He can't have money too.
Me don't know about him pocket. Me never go in there
But me
yet.
took the money for true. Me took the money. Me have to
Ask me, you know, me never say you do it. Me just ask you.
But no, I will come on the road and accuse me. You accuse me.
Alright. How are yourself?
You took up the money. You'll shame me.
I'm not shame you. But you want to know if you take it. Because right now, me broke. I am broken. Me not have no money. Me broke.
I have no money.
Don't worry yourself. I understand what you're
I
saying.
have no money.
Everything good. Just make sure you say I know you. So which part of the road you did that go?
No, me I go over yard right now.
Over for me yard?
Over your yard.
Money did miss over there. Alright, go on.
Me I go over there because I need to call my man right now. No,
Then you not just left and right yourself.
Me no business.
Go on.
Me have to watch him. It's not easy.
Yeah, watch man.
Yeah.
Go on Daddy, but
Yo, we are something.
left room.
No, left it from you, man. Come on.
Left room, but
Yo, listen. Rum is my company. Your company is your woman and yard.
But I know that woman there come and just every woman go.
What about her?
Everywhere she go. Come on.
That's why, listen to me.
You can't bother with them.
It's better you look at that woman daddy. You can't say it one woman, it can't be a one burner. You have to get woman. No, woman. You see, at least 7 women in 1 week.
I say you
7
girls?
7 of them. Me one have.
For the whole week.
Me check that one and see them. Why I eat? Me check that one to man. Why I eat? So you have to do it. But sometimes you have to take a break.
You know if you have 7 girls, that casting. You know have
No, this is the thing. You have to use style. Style work. You see some of them girls that all the thing in their head is
kind
man.
of style. Like,
Swag, they don't have this swag, they just go there and they feel like they might get money and you sweep them up and when you're done, you just dip in your pocket and take out anything and come out. You know, I'll find one there, you know. I'm promising, yeah, I'm promising. Look, later we'll be greater. I'm telling them they have to do. You can't see them with one woman. One woman is out here, you know. You know.
when you put that so I can't get no.
One woman will start you up. Cause all thing she wants, you know, is to look for your morning, noon and night. Any woman who has to do that, now why you? You would have 20 man out there. That's how you know where you work. You never notice nothing like that.
You say me like going chatting because you always put sense.
That's why I
put sense out of nonsense.
When time you stick on the one woman and you claim to your lover and you continue to make sure watch you, you're not reach nowhere.
Just a while ago, me tell her that I deal with that thing important.
Alright.
Video call me when you reach. Video call me.
Look at me 15 baby man of them. You know see I can roll.
They roll as one.
Right, because then tell me say me a war already and then use my lifestyle so then can't fight. You don't make any sense. You have to just see what she really have.
Only
That's you.
She not never want to have sex.
Hold on. You didn't come to the person?
No.
Talk on it, wait a minute.
She don't want to have sex.
Over roof you live on, your roof or if your roof?
Up here roof.
Lord of God, that's why.
And she ready.
None of that get actually she a hold it down, cause too she they pay the rent. You can tell us I'm a lock shop on me, but let me tell you something. Any woman lock shop on me a open it myself.
You walk me themself.
Me a open it myself. You mad? I mean live there and you know what
I'm
I'm
open me myself.
Alright. No, well if you don't want to open it, look at that
Them
woman.
all say rape. That's
No.
a rape.
I'm not rape you a rape her. When me say you go open it yourself, you know mean like you go force it. Woman a weak spot. You kiss them in their neck. And you took them in them corner them breast and the yasso. While you touch them in their neck, right? Some of them freaky them up when they choke them in their neck. So I hold them. If you want to hold them in their neck, you know what time is it. But some of them don't really understand that you might go hold them and shut your box. And they go think that they are trying to turn them around.
We don't have love. We don't know how to do that.
So why you mad at it?
Our mother used to tell us to keep some money in her yard.
I think that sometimes she a thief.
She a thief?
Look at them picture.
Her mother said she would science her no me no want to run nobody like the family to
She
science.
like sit here because first time you have to run. I know you just cut some of the one woman.
I used to have money in my pocket. Look at me I walk with $50. Daily I walk with money.
You have to be, you have to have money. Money for stack of money. You do it? Yeah. And so, when my give everybody them, when we check them, all of them give me a 5,000. All of them 5,000 each one of them give me, because I don't pressure them. 5,000. So you 20 times 15 and they give you 5,000, you know, so $100 and no money. I think about 75,000 in a round. Check it. About 75, no? 75. Good. Easy. You don't have to check it out. It's just easy to do. I would say 5,000. I would say 15 times. Easy. You see me? But that's why.
So you don't give them no money for your picnic them.
Yeah, what?
And them and feed them.
And them and mine, yeah, them and feed me. Each time I go check them, they cook and feed me. Sometimes food, we take the food carry around with the bad people. Because I eat too much food.
How you get them for that?
Because I must use to mind them, you know. One time before them breed, you know. When they come to the drunkard now, I'm still out. The wire bamboo under them, you know. They must be mind me now. So that's why you feel left. Is that really far? Or
I love her, man. I think never left her. I love her. She's grown when she walk, and I love her.
do that.
I love her, man. I'm not in life. She just have my heart. She have my heart.
Out of the love her, listen to what you're saying. What you're waiting. Alright, you love her then. Find she more woman.
I'm not no money. I'm going to find 3 more girls.
I say you're going to get money. She going to start
Them will spend money for me.
Right. So do it that way then. So you don't do it that way and you will see what money you will come and find that money.
On top of money. Like, just give me my thousand. Give me my thousand.
We check it later. We check it later, yeah?
Come now, see you later.
Why the rain catch me? Still has a period though. Aaron ran out of water.
Look at them over at the bicycle.
And the rain me run out and I try to walk back the rain catch me.
Oh, yeah, false up.
Come here to do this, so you tell them. You know best in your car, that's possible.
It's a ask about your friend, you know my number.
So who me fi ask about?
You never ask you, you go driver.
You have life, so you're good.
No, you have life and good.
What can wrong with you? You live with your woman.
You good though?
Yeah. As the rain does me a Congo.
No, don't you road them there get to a cup soup and the boy. If your friend she not cook, you know why she don't like cook. You tell her to cook some chicken back, she don't want to do that.
You tell her to chicken back. You tell her to cook fish.
She don't have fish, you don't know what kind of style that.
Buy curry goat.
And fish, and eat fish,
One never start to buy curry
and
goat.
when me start work, me not like stop. You understand? You can cook?
Yeah, I understand. Me no must can cook. If me live alone, how me survive?
Actually, you want me to know.
Yeah.
You see, you can cook and your friend, she don't want to cook and do the thing. How they tell them they don't tell us me like us too.
Like me? As a friend?
Huh?
As a friend?
Me ain't no friend.
Then, no, you say like me, so you ask you for as a friend. Because I can't, nothing else.
You talk like seriously, you know?
You're mad.
Being admired.
You're mad or something?
You mad, man?
You're my best friend thing. That's what me ask you, do you like me in a friend
You talk
too?
about your friend, you talk about me.
Oh, so you like me as a friend? Now
No,
what?
me like you like, would I really like to if you could have been like.
No, you're mad.
Why?
Even if me do want to work, you can't work. You're my best friend thing. Oh, you feel that with my best friend now?
I have nothing to do.
No, sometimes not tell me take time talk that with uno man now, uno too greedy. You have your woman and you want man next woman. For do what with? You're too greedy man.
You know that.
Your stomach upset my stomach.
Yeah, that is.
What?
You know that is me.
No! I'm my best friend. That I don't understand. How can I betray my friend like that?
But me don't know if she a cheat.
She not cheat.
How you know that? And she not ever gonna link to it. See, I don't want a good friend that friendship me and I talk she not even
Because she love, she don't remember nothing about nobody. You don't know, so when you love, you zone out certain people. But you tell me she for.
As you did I said. I play loaded.
And you just did that say.
I play loaded. How about, I know. Hello, they are player, man.
How is she? Me know her already. I'm his daughter best friend. What you do with her?
I pass and
You a pass her, she dey pass and you tap her.
me a pass and
How no can't keep no private one place, you know. So me know how
no,
to stay.
I look her.
What you do with my daughter best friend?
We come over here just after few questions.
Few questions, personal question about her
No.
personal life.
I just bought one work from a party shop.
You, I look work with she, are you
No, I look work
for yourself?
for my girlfriend, yeah, that.
So you can go a business place to go ask for your girlfriend. Or
No.
make your woman all in my daughter. Go look work for herself.
She used to work down there.
So she not work there again.
No, she not.
She not working there again. So how should I know the vacancy down there? If it's an area.
Upside, she said, no, you used to work down there.
She used to work down there. But you said she not working there anymore. So
Yes, yes. She used to work
and
there.
she even used to work there. I am not saying she never used to work there before. But now she stopped work there all along. How she gonna know so they have vacancy? Why you not go check her send your woman go check?
No,
I don't care if she's with that or not.
the procedure. Oh, she's
So she your manager.
No, that's a, me I say me I ask her a question.
Are your instructor, are your supervisor? Which you one? Which one of them?
No, none of them.
I not understand this.
No, me I say me I explain everything. You know understand me?
You know, go no further with you in that part there, you know. Anyway, where you want in there? You know family? Yeah?
No.
So, let me tell you something now.
Then my just friend.
Yes, when you come on to my daughter, man, them.
Man them as much.
Me not care. I could have 1/2 or 10. You know me mean, I the one man she have.
She have
And I-
my friend man.
Yes, me no want to see no girl with my daughter, man. And no make
Well.
you with no girl on the road unless I'm a daughter. You understand me? You are my son-in-law and I respect you and rate you, but that don't mean say you forgive my daughter, but I don't talk.
You know, I get a bun man I still shop me I'm gonna go buy one cup soup. I go buy one cup soup.
I said nothing more, you know,
I tell her what to say.
Relax. I don't even know why we did this. Come up right here. Come along.
Listen, man, you can't worry about the little $5 grand you have give me. Relax, no man. Me tap think rum, man. Me drink rum. Me not take no rum. You know what I mean? The rum. Come on, moms, man. Not do them something, man. In whole life, if you put it down in your gym, put on what? I don't business if you don't want to give me no $5 grand again. Me now put it down. You well I know where you take up. You go stay with it. Me not no credit. You can't mind you. Me not no credit. Yeah. Well, I'm bridging come. No man, no female, bridging come. Relax, man. Alright, me love it. Kiss the 2 kids them. Yeah. Remember me tell you, the house are coming up. A big old mansion, you know, and me have how much $1 million for boat are coming up. So everything go alright. Yeah man, love you. 75 more thousand. Yeah, love you.
A friend girl.
No, Jamaican.
Yeah, mine girl.
Oh, me? I check them.
But what that? Tell her stop drinking rum and drop asleep and a beard the out.
No. Read about say don't beard. If your beard look more wash it. Yeah. Me
Your beard, you look like a wash it.
Me look like a wash it 15 woman when me have a mind. Go stop spend for me. What? Where I study?
I don't understand. Now I gotta read them man. I tell you.
Alright, let me tell you now, because you come like you don't understand. The reason why we have 15 women and they're humble, they never did tell you the full truth. We go and read a man and get parchment paper and we put any name on it and some we walk in and my shoes, so if I go over my yard and then picture pin down and bury in the dirt. So in the back part of the yard.
Right.
Yeah man, I mean just put them to stick with any name in the dirt. So we know who I was ready for free that one of my legs that one day. Yeah!
And that's why they might give you money.
Yes, just like how you see the scammer them out here and get money from foreign I tie down with people that want to find, like people that sell all their house. You don't really sell the house in your mind to want winnings? No. You won't do that. You won't do that. But the best way for them free, but they don't understand and then continue to go to church.
So I pay for that. Or you get it free?
Nobody has do nothing free? Tell the truth. Nobody has do nothing free? Right. So what, you get a new girl?
Right now, yeah, check me just to get this close, you know, to get one new girl.
What's happening?
From my girlfriend, best friend. I like her, and I tell her, say, yo, I like her, and if you link, and she said, no, I'm my best friend, and really.
What best friend?
But me know she like me.
What?
Trish. My, Audrey's stepdaughter.
Oh, she?
Yeah.
That look a young thing there. No time go and check my boy. You gotta tell the boy. We fuck out some money, give him and you see. Fiery.
You go there already?
Yeah. Where are you? No, I don't mean like that.
What do you mean?
I don't enter in the R. My boy, yeah, she fiery. I never say me enter in the R.
You don't enter in her?
No. I say me go there already means me go a yard. I don't mean say me sleep with her. I have nothing with her. Me all tell you she fiery. Like she don't cuss. She miserable.
Yo, I think I'll go there, man. You just broke me out the while and come here and say, you find a girl and you tell me to find a girl and then one me find, you have that one.
See that? You thunder don't strike. For sure you say, even you got your blessing. Don't you worry. Bob Marley said, don't you worry. Everything might be alright. So you see, if you want her, you have to impress her.
But Candy, come on, catch me.
God.
I'm going to tell lie.
That woman there, you know long, me for that she, you know. What? You know, say her ex-husband, she used to type. I mean, make the ex-husband free and gone and find and live there, you know. She give
She tell me, say, she don't want to catch me with no other girl on road unless her daughter.
yes, that's how she's strict. When you come into a relationship, she's strict. And she will make her daughter tell you, say, for me, you no eat no food. Yes, that's how you used to do ex-husband, me say, the poor little man, you sometimes he come and...
she tell me already.
We couldn't know that one day. We see him walk past us with water upon his head top, walk go down, we go to the yard, we see him wash panty, we go there. By the time we see him, he look like he panty too much, he put some in his mouth while he pin up the rest of them and take them out of his mouth and pin them up. I feel like say, bad man, how you do? He must say, I know if you put them. Yeah. When you love.
Yeah, I'm get afraid now because one day she talk about who be her business. Who be her own daughter that she has said.
You see the daughter now? The daughter have a lot of man. I mean, I'm going to tell you again. She have man.
I don't see her with no man.
One
when
night.
she go, and me and her. So I trust her. I trust her.
When you asleep, you know where she go?
Stay busy, she there in my arms.
You're sure that she hug up at night time. You're sure you're not a
Me
pillar.
hug her up. And she me hug up.
One thing just up, you know. The last girl chick earlier, I mean, I make that happen to me. It was a female woman order one dummy. And put me hand over the dummy.
None of that can catch me. Every 2 minutes, me get up and
Let me teach you
kiss
something.
her.
Me come in, well alright, hug up her, me know me see her, cause me kiss her, and me kiss her. When me drop her asleep and wake up, feel ready for something, you know, and go talking in and I say, no man, this dead, this not move. What me look no one dummy?
So she give a dummy if you lie down with her and gone and
You
run.
buy one human, like a human female with breast and everything, pum everything upon it. And when me get up, me I say, me run out of the house.
Oh God.
Me frightened. I said, no man, I want
None of that
to take
not
up.
happen to me. I tell you that. Me can't swear for you.
Alright, swear for her.
Me can't swear for you.
You can't swear for her?
Me can't swear for you. Say she not like. Me say every 2 minutes, me hug her up and kiss her eye out. She looking at my eye, I'm looking at her eye. The two of we are see each other.
Yeah man, continue your way then. One bird a thing now right for me.
You know why me say me can't see her here? Cause everywhere she a go, she want me back her, she want me to come.
Me go teach you something. Cause some of me young boy not really have the idiot like me. You see female always go and carry you, go anywhere for you make you feel like say yes. She love you and she safe and everything alright. And woman know who you want.
I mean she want.
No.
I mean she tell me say anytime we go together in a bed and we lie down, I love you forever.
No,
and
me don't believe in the bullshit there.
She said she love me forever.
No, he can't love you forever. That's the first lie you tell.
Until death do us part that she said.
Yeah, until death do us part. You know, so she can murder you before that. Until that now, she can murder you before that because she said until death. It means that if I do nothing wrong.
Yeah, correct me. You can't change my mind for now. I do as you say, you know, if you get the next girl left, but she and my wife.
Yes, she can be a wife, but
she have my heart. This is heart, yeah, I know for nobody else than she.
No feature right now. If you are like the yard and gunman, come stick now.
She a jump in and shot for me, and me I do the same for her.
Oh yeah, you that. Not even me not do it. So how am I do it? Eh? How she gonna do it?
Me I tell her say she if gunman goes up, boy, she a jump in and shot goes up. And me I will do
she more every tell the gunman to take your life and take what she have underneath to survive. You think woman I eat that? You think woman I eat that? Eh? You think woman I eat that? Woman had the best opportunity to live. Man, have
hey, come on, hold that. I can't leave me and worry about candy.
You don't have to worry about shit. All of the cheating that I put on, that's it. That's all you have to do.
You're drunk?
No, I'm not drunk. I'm not good on a bar door. So,
you can't buy me a drink, man.
I'm not here.
You say you can buy me a drink.
Oh, you buy me a drink? Come on,
no, me I say you can buy me a drink. Me not have no money, you know what I mean?
You can buy me a drink?
You can buy me a drink out of the money that we have.
Oh, me understand you now. You can buy me a drink out of the money where you have. That's you say, boy, come on.
Me mean you.
Oh.
You buy me a drink. Come, when you go down there, when you go down there, you jump.
Oh, you are buying me a drink. You are buying me a drink.
Ella.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I get up? Sit down.
Huh?
You can sit down. Just come to talk to you about your man.
Mind now.
You see your man? Me pass him out the road. I chat to girl. What kind of man them there?
Mommy, I must lie at you. Feel me, man, we never do that. We will never ever do that. I lie you the tell pan him. Lie. You won't even try. For sure you're saying you know so disrespectful. We will never do that.
If your man
You should man see him. You should say man.
What you mean let me see your man with? What you mean let me show
You should say woman see him with.
I say, look here, put on clothes for your talking. It look like you never hear me say me see your man out a road and I want shop. I chat to woman and me they ask if I them the type of man do you like. Man will love keep more than one woman. And that me come to ask you.
No.
Come in and know about me see man with man. Where you talk say? Man where you say?
You sure say a man you see? Feel me toga. Feel me toga.
Listen to me now. Yes, when you care about what tell my son-in-law, make sure say you say what me say and not say what me not say. Cause you hear you twist around the coil and me never say that. And what you say you want know. Or you want say me say I want know. Don't mix me up. Me say I want woman. Me see him with. Cause them the kind of man they are girls man. Careful how you talk. But let me tell you something. I'm a son-in-law. I'm make sure I want him. Me want him. Me tell him plain and straight that me no want to see with no other woman more than you.
See, you know the girl we are seeing with?
No, you don't have to know if me know the girl.
See, you know the girl? You know the girl, look. You know the girl, look. Come on, bust up a girl face right now.
No, listen.
Right now.
You see problem? No, me not sure if him and the girl in a no argument, you know, like no their business. Me not sure if I look in the girl are they already there together. But me see him and woman a roadside. You don't know a roadside shop them?
Yeah, little bar.
Sit down underneath one little place and them a discuss whatever. Me don't know.
Me no business. As long as he sit down there with the girl, two of them there.
Kayla, you are my daughter. Me care upon this earth. Me no bring no idiot. You must have sense. You really mix up yourself. You're just the right as a little while I take up film said, no, not my tugger. My tugger won't do that. Now you just say the two of them there. Listen to me. Me no want to judge him because you know he look like a one nice little young man. Me no want to judge him wrongfully. But when he see me, he shock. Like sitting in a sitting.
That means sitting in a sitting and can be shocked to see you. Something.
Look here. Look here, daughter. Look here.
Me didn't come up.
No. You go no say I need to listen to me. Me no want him to have anything.
Yeah, me give me another. Me love a little big head boy.
No, Ira. Oh God. I didn't see me and me not like him. Look here, me never say man the girl there.
I'm do that. I mean the right. If you want slum, be said I want feed. And in comparison to slum, be said I mean the chair big enough.
Look here. Me no want be one of my mother-in-law them with a judge wrongfully. The both of them can get together, but me have right to talk to anybody. But me just want to if you know say. No, when me say talk to me, no mean say if you go there with nobody, this video, you know. You know, if you go there with no other girl with you, only you alone, but not take it personal. No, you just have to put it on your guard to make sure say you're there on your heel and your toe in case any little thing me did.
Wait no moment, wait till he come up here, wait till he come here. Me and him. Men going at this. He can't do me that, he can't do that, I love him, I love him. You can't buy that. You could hold him by his and pull it and bring him come.
No, I'm not sure say man the girl. Anyway, no matter what him off when he come, you're not have to say nothing. Just make it stay, never go here, no, there are.
I'm just saying I can't buy that. Going out and with you, man. Can't tell you that this man.
No matter make it stress you out, man, sure. I just like you want to interest something, me don't know if he go so.
Yeah,
no. Nobody come beams me in this. Nobody come beams me in this now. Where they come from? But here see them on the road with a female, so not talk. Where so not talk about?
No.
Where so not talk about? I mean, I can't see you. Where so not talk about?
Let me explain. I walk past to go check my virgin. Let me tell you, I do everything with my virgin. So, now I walk past, no girl say, hello, you're new to the place. I said, no, I live a long time. I asked her if you new to the place. Then she said, which part? Big tree there. And I explained to her for big tree. Same time the rain come down. And with the hand that the shop shed attack how she can get to big tree. You understand?
Who shed that? Shed of her road?
Oh, that.
So you could come here and the rain. Sit down and talk to her.
You don't come now with rain done.
No, none of that story that me get. Get that
first. I want someone just tell her what I go on. I don't know her.
Yeah, look at that, look at her. Nothing makes certain.
Me not look nobody. Look, somebody have you. Yeah?
Come on, so me love you, so you don't give me no bone. Don't give me no bone.
You know, tell me love you. I will trust you. Me not give no bone.
Oh, come here, you know, say we never do to know. You will never ever in your mind.
Well, yeah, you that thing to me I give one.
Yeah. You will never do that, man. You don't think you do that. You think you do that at all.
Me good?
Me good. Where this way you go for shop today? You know that shop?
Me not get to where you want to shop. Maybe if we go get cup soup and then say cup soup done. I mean, I eat the ramen business, and then I know that business.
See my rest now, so I can go eat it.
So, yeah, go.
I go for my friend. But when I bring it at time, come on, sit on a chat long.
Alright, I go eat the food there, cook out a bit.
Yeah.
Watch you road there.
Yeah, I go watch you road. Let me hear somebody come over.
No. Yes, come on.
Alright. Come back. Trish!
They coming!
Hurry up and come, my girl.
Girl!
Hurry up and come, man. I don't want to be hurry up and come. I've closed me in there fall up, yes I go. You know one believe, say, but I yard see on good. My mother come and tell me, say, my man they can't run with woman. My good man, you know. They can't roll with woman. They chat.
So then tell you who the woman be?
Every day what tell me how the woman be me come call you. I mean me go dust the girl. Me don't know. Oh, and you not tell me who my mother not tell me who me don't know who. Eh? I don't be so liar to the boy.
Maybe I'm not looking that look car. Oh, you know, say I look him a look car.
Because he ask the girl question.
But you don't know what kind of question he ask the girl.
Me but gonna edit it.
Alright, I can't jump to conclusion, but you have to just, you can't listen to one side of story now. You don't ask the man who he did up on the road with.
He not tell me say this one girl.
You ask him where did that about?
No, he just ask the girl question.
What kind of question?
You never tell me what kind of question.
Then me can't help the
So I'm
situation.
coming like say the farm my side, the farm inside.
No, I am trying to let you know that you can't just listen to one side of story.
They say if me ever know that the girl there, me bust up her face, me say me a grab her and squeeze her.
That's much you want to do to her?
Yes, me not ramp with me man.
So you don't feel like I'm man if you go squeeze? I'm man if you squeeze in because at the end of the day, and the man I'll top the woman. You don't say the woman top the
Me
man.
no like
You don't even know who top who.
Me no business. Me no like when my man too friendly, enough too friendly.
Then tell your man say not be friendly time.
Get a leech. I want a rope I go buy.
The rope go stretch, girl. You have to get a leech and leech him.
I'm get one handcuff into me hand. Cause
Yeah, because anywhere you go, you're going to climb. Let me ask you something. You don't plan to work. If you don't plan to work, how not gonna survive?
you can't work.
How not gonna survive?
Anywhere me I get in, I can't work so me can't see him. Me can't. The one good time I take him out of me in the farm that chat to woman.
So let me ask you something. How you plan to survive? How you plan to eat? How you plan to go further in life?
He might go walk.
Then y'all go see when he walk.
Me dey follow back at him. Me dey go walk his set place where he walk. Like set department.
Now every no place now work no. What do you call it? Employer, whatever the word you want call nobody and them man one time. The donkey they just sing some. Then top mixed relationship with business.
You see, before you encourage me, say the man
Girl,
cheat.
me just I'll tell you say, man will forever be man. Man a dog, you know.
My man no
You
dog. Him a puppy. Him no dog.
Sorry. So you gonna say sit puppy sit?
Yes, sit
Run
puppy.
puppy run.
Everything me dey go say.
Say puppy hour, na dog.
Yeah.
Sorry man a dog.
Man, he never reach a level there yet. He never reach a level there yet. Me can't bother.
Let me tell you what to do.
I'm tired.
Be like me. Do not have nothing on your mind. Be freely. Wait now. You can still have your man, girl, but just be freely. If you want to walk and chat to 100 girl, I make each of them give me 100,000. Girl, how money me I look for you, dummy?
My man nowadays, I be a black girl there. I be a black girl there, and black girl have no money.
Oh, you know some girl not no money.
You have money?
Me have money.
What the money there?
In my house.
If they want board,
Concrete around the back. Don't talk about the front. But my room.
Hold on.
Me there here.
That company they do.
Yes, she come tell me what her man problems.
Oh, me know her.
Where you know her from?
Huh?
Where you know her from?
no yourself. Can you come like stay all up junk man and come link? Me come go my business. Come go my business.
So I go on.
Are you will qualify now?
You call up for me, sir.
You know what I say? This is every man want you. And you know, say me like you for a long time, you figure you look at $2 and $500 them. I feel like me want to walk you back out of here.
You spit all the flying on me eye, you.
I should have blind you.
And it's take time talk. Let me back up, look up. What you say now?
Me is a man. A whisper in the ear.
The man then I was saying on me ears.
Oh, so you confess.
Then me not hide it.
Oh, so you not hide to you and the man there.
Me and him not there. I'm my best friend there. There's a difference between there and down there. Me and him not there. Me sit down because we're in a fall. And then come.
You and him there.
Me and him not there.
Me say you and him there. Don't tell me nothing.
Me and him not there.
I look at the thing I can't tell this.
Me and him not there. Who tell us me and him there? Who tell us me and him there?
A good news. Good news.
Your good news can stay for the Pampa's news in the right.
Me say me here say. Him come down there, come see you sit down under the shop.
Yeah, and what?
And him give you $1,000.
Wait there. And if you have pocket for me.
Oh man, now have you a pocket.
Listen to me. Me and nobody today. You see if you know, me don't want nobody. Me tell you how you can help me. I go one community college. I go learn one little skill. Cause you know say me ain't done the year the cosmos something. So I go continue. And that's the only thing I'm going to help me right now. You see that the right one. Yes that one.
You want to help you with that?
Yeah.
You want to take a buy a little money, right?
Yeah, enough money I have.
Say you want college. And you don't need to grind you.
No man now grind me and me alone live.
Alright, I got to help you with that way so we can go check.
No, you have to wait till me done. Yeah, I just if me start now, you know say I want 2-year program. You have to wait. You can't we want me to jump out of school.
The last girl me send to go to school till me out school in terms of
Me different, you can't use one apple and spoil everybody.
me send him go to college.
So you have 2 shot in a beard?
No.
Then how you want to come ride me in a beard?
Cause that is the trick. It's when you don't pay it and you have a little custard pan it.
See now no money for you now.
Yeah, you hear me I say?
Me I ask you something.
When you have a little custard pan it's good for you. Once you take in that the custard you're alright.
See now no money.
You talk about me and you talk about money.
Me hungry.
Cook.
So the money me have to go buy it for the rest of the market.
If you want to come down the yard.
Me not come down the yard. Last man tell me if you come down a fee me have something. Me never get what me go for, me get different thing.
Well, me and the last man is 2 different things.
Well, me and the last girl is 2 different things. Send me go to college first. No,
The last girl I send to
it's
college.
either my way or no way.
A belly she come back with.
My way or no way.
You have the same account?
Yes.
I send you $1,200.
2 grand can't help me.
But me, I'm going to check. How are your head?
Say, I get this school fee, man.
Them I'm not check.
Alright.
Well, check up if you.
Alright, may I go and go clean
Check the
up?
bumper, make me see what you're for it. Hey, no, that Jesus Christ!
Yes, man.
I have to help you. Oh, God have mercy. Oh, God. You know me as well, I'm pushing it. God, I'm God.
Oh, go on.
I can't me observer. You realize that she's not Kayla?
Come on. Yeah. But watch out. Come in like me.
What you want?
Come on, I'm telling you what I'm going. But you look nice today. You want me to
Listen to me. Me no want your mother-in-law.
Come on.
Come catch me and you, cause
I don't know about that.
your woman come in my yard this street. No, come round.
Come on.
Wait there.
Yes, as me I say. You're a woman come on my yard yesterday. Don't tell me something that don't tell me to stand talk. You're a woman come on my yard yesterday. And tell me say our mother tell us say our man, our precious man. They don't do road with woman. I don't think say our mother never tell her say me. You want hear all the woman you want hear all your woman say she want hang with the girl when she see. Suppose you not see me and kill me. Why you gonna tell me say?
No, that not happen.
No, you can't touch me. Me no want your mother-in-law pass a son see me and you.
You keep on a worry.
Listen to me.
You tell them to stop worry about them.
You say you know. Your woman say you're a puppy, but you're not a puppy, you're a pit bull. You want everybody. You're people mixing mongrel. No, you can't want me and there with my best friend. If you have $100 million offer me right now, I'm still not there with you. I'm my best friend that.
You can just give me one chance.
No.
Prove myself to you.
If me never want you when you're my best friend, I know me I go want you.
Me never dare look you in you.
Well, if me did want you, I would come to you, I would tell you, say, I want you, I would have to get you, I don't want you. Anybody want me can get. But you have to offer me.
Me have money.
I don't need mackerel and mackerel and rice, your man feed for the baby. I don't need mixed parts either. If I don't have mutton, I have to have lobster. I'm tired of lobster right now.
Me and you can thief goat.
No, that's the thing, no. Me can't do the thieving business. You see I'm brawling? Me can't do the thieving business. You know see I'm not loud.
You can't do one chance.
No, kind of one chance.
We have a secret relationship.
I watch you. What me look like?
I don't know about
Serial? You want to go hide me under the back of the car? No, you can't do that.
You can't do things.
Listen to me. I only see you as a friend. Can't you understand that? Me, not there with none of my friends, man. And even if you're my best friend, let me still not there with you. Because I don't want my best friend what left. Me not work so.
So you call me what left?
Then my best friend now go done with you out already once I go left.
What do you mean by revolt?
Name out your pocket. Have you as her tail? If she says sit, police sit, you have to sit. If she says jump, police jump, you have to jump. If she says run, body run, you have to. Anything she says goes.
You understand, yes?
Yeah. Be a man. You can't be a one burner. If you feel like say you're tired or you left her and go there with somebody else, but don't look her friend. And a good style that.
You have a problem.
Yes, we have problem. I'm a very expensive. No, I don't think so. I don't think so at all. Because if you're my friend every 6 months and she not even getting £1, no lose me, I go lose. No, you can't get no ogo.
No.
Alright, let me get one little ogo. Let me go now. I'm make you my best friend, mother come see me and you.
If you see.
So when me talk about? That's what me talk about?
Hello. One me talk to you. One back right there, so. What happened here so between the two of you? Again, I can't see two of you again. What me want to say?
I tell her I say something my heart, something wrong with my heart. So she listen to my heart beat if it a beat right.
You are tell her say something wrong with your heart. She do medical. What she know what do your heart? She has studied what she has studied?
She there listen if nothing wrong with the
so I hit me couldn't hug up so close, tight like you know in something.
No, she not hug up me she just there pull me and listen to me.
She there pull you.
Me go home.
Hello! Not do that.
But whenever me
Tell me I talk to the two of you more.
When you talk to me
hello,
say
don't load up for me now.
What are you talking
listen
about?
to me now.
Me not talk to you, don't talk to me.
Hello.
See what me I tell about?
No quarreling no there, so no want no problem. I no act so suspicious, so what?
Me not when I tell her what she there do.
Me I go up because me left a pot pan it.
Me there go.
Me not understand. And this is the second time. Listen. Hello, turn up. This is the second time. This is the two of you. I have to say at the same place all when I went over there. So. And now uno the closer. Yes. You don't know all hug up. What kind of business the two of you in?
She's sick, make she go on.
Sick, make she turn. She ain't sick when the two of you there. So God, you know how long you there, so they talk. You are my daughter, friend, don't? And every time Miss come see you are my daughter, man. What is the problem? What they go on between the two of them? Me not understand.
As me I say, me left you pot on the fire.
Pat,
Yeah.
you see you as a son-in-law? Me don't
Yeah,
like
deal
your
with
style.
him,
No,
deal with
come back here, sir.
Alright, let me tell you. Me there over there start my business and he called
Me I tell her say so me chest her.
So they can jump, you know when she talk. You
No,
jump
me
down her throat.
I tell her me same thing she has said.
Yeah, come here. No more.
I see him thing.
All your hand and shake. You act too suspicious. How you want to run?
No, me part, me no want the husband to remember say for
In a
part I
bundle.
go on you.
In a bundle. In a bundle.
I see you.
So why the town in a such a rush? And you know, for me and see town up there, so they hug up.
No, me, I listen.
Me ask you one question again before me get mad. Where the town in? You are my daughter, man, and you are my daughter, friend. Watch out. Now look down the phone and me talk to. If you repeat back myself, come here, idiot.
No, me hear what you say, just not function right.
You know, look like you not hear me say, you is my daughter, man. You
She know that.
are my daughter, friend. And every time I come see two of them, no one they too close. Me no understand, want to explain on yourself. No, before me get dirty out here, so. What's the problem?
Yeah, squeeze me and two.
If you quiz.
Talk to your mother-in-law now.
Take time with
No,
that.
take care now for me. Tell your yard. Let people, man, are your friend.
Man, she not
No, are you want to take up pain?
No, me not take her.
Look here, you think that you see you think that you my son-in-law, that means that if you just pass and not say nothing.
Never did.
So, wait, you're not easy. Boy, you could have be your mama, you come there with my daughter and you use my daughter. You're idiot.
Me not use her.
So, what you do? What you do with my daughter? Friend.
Me tell her say me chest her hurt me and me
Your chest. She studied medical, so she a doctor and nurse now all of a sudden.
She just has to see if anything wrong with me heart.
You want to know if something wrong with your heart? You want me to test it for you?
No.
So if something wrong with your heart, why you never explain to your woman and the two of them go a doctor and make she find out if something wrong with you? Every time.
Me go ask her.
You go ask her, say what?
If you look
My daughter not study medical.
she can rub some alibi
My daughter
on my chest.
don't study medical. I want college she go. I did stop her from go there, because her friend she went there fella. TMC. She no go bother go to college there again. TMC college. She no bother go there, so she a good girl now. And you come pick up my daughter and they use my daughter.
No, me not use her. Me tell her me not.
So oh yeah, talk so now like a son little baby. And it look like you know up here so in a son long conversation from a long time. You know see no other woman where you can go talk to more than my daughter best friend. So you want there with your woman friend.
No, me would never do that.
They would never do that.
Me would never
So
do
if you
that.
believe that pill there.
Never, nah do that.
If you believe the pill where you give me if it takes say real and it good. You know which way you did I go before? You know, remember where you went
there go.
I saw and now I saw. So.
There I go down.
Where you go down this over though? Kayla down there so?
No, me check my on my friend.
You know what matter of fact. You know say me I'll leave you alone. Me
my
gonna leave
friend,
you.
me I'll check.
No man, listen to this now. Me sorry fix it with you. Sorry. Because guess what? It's when you and my daughter head the pan pillar. I wanna start chatting, hug up and kiss up and kind of thing. And start call up my name and this and that and I call up other people name. You know this is what I want to talk to. But I too want to head I go meet pan pillar. I wanna now go business with what I want when me I say until something happen. I mean I tell you what go happen. But don't worry yourself. All me know say. You see me allow I go now. Me allow my daughter to there with you because she reached the age where she can't do it man. But if you breed her and this one and go pick up somebody else, you're not gonna like it.
No, neither.
You get done work yet? From when you tell me,
I go try sort out.
don't are your friend.
Yes.
You can't do nothing for yourself. You're there so they ask my daughter friend to test your heart. Like she study medical. She a doctor and nurse. Oi. No, you're good on your friend to find out if you can get work.
And call me, I go.
Your friend a businessman or a businesswoman?
I don't know.
You want no, him or she want no company? So you can't go look work for yourself. You use it for me every time because me a jackass. Me look like idiot to you. Okay, no worry yourself. No worry yourself. You see my daughter where you take for idiot, you're going to lose her. You're going to lose her. Remember me tell you that. Me I go straight over. I'm not busy with you now. We're not young people, but you see two of my daughter. That's why I come to you. You alright.
You see what me I tell you about? Talk to me and call to me because you're not come make me and my best friend fall out. Our mama come beat me. You see? You make me all get lit. Let me give them back, man. See me and not see me. Yeah, me that talk to you. Why you can't understand? You deal with my best friend and you want me. What can go so? Look how you taller than me. Me have to look up. Me don't let them something
You can't lift you up.
Leave me alone. You know what I'm saying? Leave me alone, please. You know another one there? Look into things, man.
She says she not tell Kayla, so you good.
Listen to me. You see, first time I mistake. If you're not again, a choice. And you're not ready. No, don't tell me about it. You know, people are looking at your damn senses and say, yes. A foolishness you do. And you know, make that sense because you know what. You
can cook, you can clean, you can...
Kayla can go up on YouTube for all of that. She can learn. YouTube,
nobody learn. She go to cook right.
I learn, you know.
When she a cook, come like a
make she
experiment.
taste it first. Listen to me.
When she a cook mackerel, give me she a cook coconut milk in it.
Listen to me.
Me never name mackerel with coconut milk.
We didn't go before Kayla mother come back out here. So cause
now come back. She gone.
Listen to me. Me got in my yard.
She gone over her yard. Hello. May I come out there then?
Must know.
Kayla.
Yes, mommy.
Me no want to talk to you. Me no know why you may not come out here or something want to talk to you.
Nobody else but you don't know. See me and me might live here in the panny road. You have to come
I
back.
don't know. I love company. I don't know why.
Me man the panny road.
When me say that day when me come to you and tell us me see your man
With girl.
with one girl.
He said that show the girl direction. The girl new to the town community.
Direction.
Yeah, the girl the one spot. I must say big tree.
Oh. Anyway. No business with it one, you know.
Yeah.
No young people. You must know how you and him go work it out, you know, in that relationship there, you know. Because I don't like what I go on. Every time me come and see him with the same girl.
Today?
Me just a while ago. Right now as you see me here. Pass him and the same girl.
Not
Out the road. So
I like that.
yeah, hug me up like you did there and see. I see him say what him.
I like that. I could never my man you see out the road. How you do?
So yeah, what you say? Me I try to make you and your man
No.
split up and let you life on him.
See me toga? You know tan so. I like that. Tell us I tell prove it to me.
Young like you. I'm glad me never fool like you.
Boy, I must say, I'm my mother, you know. So anything me have, you make it from.
So you get in the foolishness, say?
If I don't find you from
me,
my
they tell
father.
you, say, me pass, your man, a hug up girl. How girl, they test hard like girl a doctor, they do medical.
What do you have?
And you, no, I can't tell me, say, okay.
Come go show me. Come go show me where in there. Come on, cause something not this, something.
I'm not for you go no further, you know. I'm not for you go no further, right? That's what they did there. And the girl make sure say she walk off, so she go in her yard. Then him walk off behind her. Me not sure where the two of them gone.
You know, so me know say that tell me. Because I'm mash up my life. True that they leave you, you know. True that they leave you, mash up my life. But then they show me them.
Kayla, and me bring you come on earth. And me born you. Are you really believe me want to mash up your relationship? Okay.
Better me say out here and you know out here. Why in there now? Show me him.
Me never expected in the gone so far and now come back this one. But I right here so them did it.
Me no see him, he no there. Because that tell me line man, I say me can't take with you.
So true you no come see the two of them that in a line here then.
I feel like you tell me I can't see him so it's take over time.
So me a lion.
So me don't know, because sometimes you just can't bother. I don't just stay so. Right now, me come go for my best friend right now. I just get my head mashed up. Need somebody to talk to.
Don't worry yourself. Me, I will live to see you come back and apologize to me.
Come me not go apologize because he not give me no bone. I feel me man.
Okay, sorry. Go on.
Oh, what am I seeing man now with you?
Sorry, me love. If you feel you lie me they tell, I lie me they tell. Okay.
Yeah, walk so fast.
And I'm not asking you going there. You can't come in there.
Relax, man.
What do you mean by relax?
Sit down.
Where you are with me?
Sit down.
No, me not sit down. My friend soon come look for me because I fear time I hear them there.
Compare, she have a whole heap of things to do over here.
You go and let you know my friend come. We say one because me I like get a call there. We can't talk to you right now.
Nah, sit down.
See, I'll call me again. Where you say? Come, talk.
You understand the whole thing.
Hey, and what?
I'm sorry for what happened, just look well.
Listen to me. You need to put sense in your head and realize say.
Sit down, man.
No, me don't want to sit down. I'm my friend I there with for 6 months. And you want me? No, if you're tired of my friend, you tell her, you leave her alone and you look someone else. Why is your friend you want? What can what no?
My spirit just
No, nobody tell me. Me expensive bad.
it's
bad,
not
bad,
all
bad,
about
bad.
the money always. You just that the
Me not have nothing to offer you right now.
no, it
Look
doesn't
over
matter.
there, so you see on the tree.
Room.
Alright, guess what? I am like a plum. You see a plum, then they run there, one another have some want and run myself. Me I want a man. Even if me want a man, me don't want the man and the money me want.
Alright, sorry about for everything and for your bother here and everything.
Yes.
I just left you alone.
So you have to shut me and left me alone?
No, me just feel I feel last time. No, me just
Is that idea take care of it? Take it. Go on now.
Hey, lad, me not see good. After me, just I tell my mother say you will never ever give me bun. So I'm afraid of on road with. Eh?
Come here.
Eh? Come. Me ask you if you want a man.
No, me no want no man.
You don't want no man.
The inside.
But I'm my man you want.
Me no want
Man you want. I'm my man you want. Let me man you want.
Sorry, good Jesus.
I'm my man you want.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, the next one. What you
No,
do?
we
You see what me I tell you?
What you
Me
do?
tell you love me alone.
What you do?
Me come and
Give me, come here, so. Me think you say a liar. What you do up here? How you don't want a man, but you want my man.
And your man want me.
My black strong
Stop saying
chocolate
that,
on you.
Him
No,
said
I'm
you can't cook. Me tell you now. Him say you can't cook, you can't clean and all.
lie.
And who wash out the
Lie.
place? Who wash out the place?
Are
He
you
said
do
tell
anything?
me your mackerel when you name me you put all well flour pan it. Like a French fry you want French fry
Can
give.
you know say you cook and
Girl, me have record. Me can make you
your
hear it.
friend don't listen to your friend, yeah?
You let me hear the record when I say me can't cook. I know say I make cook and I could have pies.
Don't listen to your
Listen,
friend, don't listen to her. Cause she appear like she
You're not here.
Make you so wicked.
Alright.
I understand. What make you so wicked?
Me tell you no man. I mean me tell you
What
me alone, me alone.
What me do? Eh?
let me tell you now, babe. I want to experiment something me I do.
Okay,
Oh, me look
experiment.
like.
Okay, experiment.
Me I do, me I start one YouTube channel.
Yes, I want YouTube channel. Show me the camera. Make camera.
Me not buy yet, me just there test her.
Tell her say what?
If she would talk to me, I want gold digger.
You see me next well, me a chat foolishness.
Take your man talk to him, man, for me thump out your eye next.
Yeah, they will take them.
Everybody, man.
How much money?
I want experiment me at the day.
What do you have when me a good on the road? Me see me somebody, but I not tell you who. As
Don't
me
pay
a
no
say,
mind.
me a go in and left on
Don't
the
pay
old
no
place
mind.
because
Don't pay no mind. You know say me liar.
You're not lying. I'm coming to with my best friend.
So relax yourself now. And come tell us I want experiment.
yeah, I want experiment something.
Just calm down yourself, man.
Later, come back
Oh,
tomorrow. Don't care when you come.
Me
Just
not
come
come
by
back,
yourself.
sir. Me don't need to talk to me.
Soon by
So girl, you vex with me too?
Because I'm a friend for the day start get that cut.
Girl, me did want to tell you, but me name why you kill me.
Come.
Leg off of me, no man. Leg off of me.
You
Wow.
don't believe me? You don't believe me?
I'm done. We done, you know. Me
Put
done
on the
with you.
clothes, them.
If you don't do-
Me come cut some clothes
Don't
of
say
me.
that.
No man, we done. Yo.
My sweet sugar plum, sweetie. Come here. You can't talk to me again, you know. You can't come here.
Me tell you, say you come on me yard.
Me?
Without me invite you, yeah.
So you go jump on me and
Listen now. Yeah, I'm
Me eat you have man over here.
what smell so? And I thought your fault as you come here so.
No, me this sweet one, you know, but you said little for this. Sorry. Anyway, me eat you have people man over here. And then come over here come beat you, is that true?
Yeah. Me tell the boys say me don't want him. Every time he have me out there so, his mother-in-law come out, I'll lick me, mother-in-law lick me no. Yes, baby, me don't want him. You don't tell me a thing already and I eat me a work with. I have you, what more do I need?
Oh, yeah.
All the thing me need extra little money, you know? Me don't need nothing else, just some money.
Oh, you have me.
Yeah. Mommy, why you didn't send me go back to college and them something there so me can afford the medication.
Oh, no, me.
And that me a pay
No.
attention to the boy obsessed with me. Him say woman can't cook and she can't clean and she not the body for shake.
Shake what?
But he say woman not the body for shake and she can't cook and she can't.
So I told every time you are shake up your ass about
Me not shake a man, maybe I know say thing firm. So if you walk, it jiggle.
Alright, I believe you still.
Yeah.
I'll
And
be
come
there.
come here without make me know say you come here. You have to make me know. You can't just pop up on my yard, so.
You never give me a number, you know. So it be. Yeah, I put it. So we can call you. See if we can get our money.
Alright, see there? Save as big body.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Yes. One piece of.
No, I can't make you grow up.
No, man, in a time like this, in Jamaica, nothing can grow and partial in Jamaica. All the kids, them, I think it's 12 them gone a man yard. So,
How are this? How are this?
I've started a new
I
start.
can't me out. How are this? What is? What am I do with this?
You buy some mints.
You realize you have $50 not $5,000 of this?
So, what you want for
You know me good. Hold this. Let me delete back all my number.
You know what this? You see back in my days, this could
No, how much that? Tell me how much.
5 shillings. This
Hello, man, let it for me, cause your shillings not shilling in. Me I delete out back my number, cause my number now $7 $50, 7 digit, 5 per digit.
come here. If you give me a chip, you get 5,000. Oh God. They just come
Pay me now?
They just come.
Me hold on pay your phone and now pay me.
No, me.
Pay me now,
Well,
Me, you tell me no, one kiss.
no.
And you give me $5,000.
No, I
Don't
say-
come deal with me with the junking business and all, you know. Give me the money. Else then I get back the phone here.
No.
No, you're gonna go castle. I will catch you again. Come on, me and see if I dash water with pan you.
Yeah, alright, yeah.
Me know me alright, you broke like.
Where can I for?
Me say if you can answer.
Eh?
You can answer?
Yes. And one reason make me come to you. And that's because you're my daughter. What you say? I don't want to go back in a phone story now. What happened?
I should have believed you. I should have believed you when you say, he might give me bone. He might give me bone. He's my best friend too. I tell us, after I left, I'm telling you, I go for my best friend yard. My match because I go tell her my problems them, right? I go up there, see to them I hold a hand. I just get and I just grab the girl, squeeze. I look almost say yes, the police come for me because me couldn't take him on. And I net me the one pop off.
When me come tell you, say me see him with a girl more than one time, you're looking at me two eyes them and tell me say me a liar. Liar they tell me I mash up my relationship. No, you go come tell me say you go where you go the girl yard and go see your man there.
My man.
And come back and tell me. So why idiot now?
Mommy must have been an idiot. Come in and listen to you. I listen to you now.
So what about that now? What happened? I sorry, you want me to start feel how happened?
You break my heart.
How so, like what lie me did I tell you? How happened now?
Mama, forgive me.
Eh?
Maybe forgive me. Me say I feel we are me but that true me know say na nobody na you let me think so much they want mash up my life but that true me the foolish.
Anyway, for yourself. Your apology accepted. Alright, well you see next time when me come and tell us something, whether about your relationship, about whatever, it no matter. Listen and learn from it. Don't make the same mistake again. A foolish baby drop over doorstep more than 3 times. Boom, then drop out the first time. Boom, then drop out again. Then you as the parent take up piece of wood and nearly crossway so if you not drop out. 1, 2, 3 piece of wood, you're really high. Higher than Mona high, and he still climb up and come over and drop again. Foolish baby drop over doorstep more than 2 or 3 times. Mind you buck your 2 again.
Me no buck my 2 again. Me no buck my 2 again. Me can't bother. Me tell say me I'll take him dash him out in there. Me dash him out. Me dash him out.
Just show you there.
Yeah, I'm go. Where am I doing here? Let me show you. I saw them set. That's what I said.
Me never tell us that in there, you know.
When you tell me, say, mommy?
Me tell us that me see him and the same girl more than 1 time and me a one day if them there. No, you are said them there. Because you see them and shake hand.
I'm my best friend.
So, are your best friend?
Yes, I'm my best friend say, he might look him, I look her. And I tell her about, oh, me can't cook, me can't wash, me can't this. And I me cook and feed him, you know, and I me clean up the place.
All of them do something there.
Yes, he not do nothing. All he does little big fat on the bed.
Oh. You can't tell if you run him out.
I run him out already, you never tell me that.
But if you say you run him out,
dash him up, no one back in my life.
About it. Anyway, I have to put my clothes them off my line because it look rainy.
Yeah.
So later, I have to know your relationship. I don't want to go down too deep in it. If you can't call me like that again, I'll do me forgive you step.
Yeah, mommy. It's a process, man. Oh, it's a to me. No, come in the car, no, toga, no, toga that I say, no. No, toga that I say. Where come from? You know, let me know your fans. Oh, I never met friend, yeah. Actually, said over here?
No.
Oh.
But it's toga in about few minutes ago.
Yeah, with him big bag.
No, me don't see you put him on.
Me put him on, he give me bun. All night work.
Why you put him on for?
Give me bun with my friend, my best friend.
No.
Not just none of them. None of them.
Listen. I just have a company. Talking about it. They don't do none. Your best friend loyal. Yes, she loyal. Your best friend did a fight. And me and your best friend attack. I'm here, your best friend there. I'm here to start about college. And that's why when Tucker tell me go over the tour, I can't feel like she get up, but she don't get up.
Oh, so who's you to Tucker?
I'm a virgin man.
And your virgin a look young man. Eh?
No, you don't know I'm chatting.
Me no business. Me no business. My head hurt me. My friend betray me. My man betray me.
Listen to me, you know what is loyal?
What is liar?
Loyalty is a friend like a friend. Oh Lord.
She shall come tell me.
Look into this now. Yeah, you're right. She should have come tell you, but she know why your relationship mash up.
You don't mash up with a Benny tree.
Oh, you'd have been at the tree then.
Togan a bad man, you know. Man a bad man.
You know, see how become like your mama.
What wrong with my mother? Don't mention mother in this.
I saw your mother did run out your far. He never tell you. He follow people and run out. Your pa.
Mommy catch him all up on the girl and so.
Someone on there. Come and ask you a question.
What?
Somebody answer that shit. You call this relationship?
Yes. Me call it so.
Alright, yeah, just go back to your friend and apologize because your friend was a good friend. Anyway, me Jahan, can't say me never a good friend, he never get up.
I'm a man, me want back. Come on, friend. Come apologize to her, please, you know.
You reach the end of the movie, I big up yourself, you watch to the end and you reach this far. Comment the honest comment as always. As me always I say, and like, share and subscribe. So I big up few people, not really much. I big up Jaden from Kingston. Yeah, when you see we downtown Kingston, big up yourself Jaden. And I big up and next Jaden from Trelawney, you know yourself, big up yourself. And I big up Chris from Mandeville, you know things that I love. And I big up Shantane Brown from Hanover side.
Oxtail and good as check-in live.
Yeah man, Oxtail and good as big up on yourself. Whole Jamaica big up on yourself, everybody that watch it, whole parish. You see, big up on yourself, everybody that you love and support the whole channel them. You know you go, heart of love. Welcome back to Toga TV. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing and welcome to the Toga TV family. If you're a long time subscriber, you know I got love alone to you. You understand? If it wasn't for you, who wouldn't there? I go and do the right thing. I want to motivate myself. So go and push everything I do. Just do the best. Always. You understand? But before we go into the movie, I'm going to ask you something. We're going on a trip in December, but I'm looking some sponsors to sponsor the plane ticket. So if anybody out there have a little change of $50, you know, can send grass to donate towards this flight to Panama City in December. So we can go over there. Everybody else will be joining. Popeye, Kayla, some other people who you know, but they're asking for sponsors as well. So I'm here asking for anybody out there who can sponsor this trip for me. I would really appreciate it. Right? So if you have a little change and donate, just contact this number on the screen, 804-5738. Understand? Or you go in the description and you see a next number. Probably it's the number on the screen where I see right now. You get me? So if you can reach out to me and we can exchange info so certain things can happen. So if you can donate, hit me up on the number as me said. The trip is in December. Everybody is going to Panama City. So if you can help me out, please and thanks. And if you know Toga, we never go on the plane yet. Do you understand? Yeah, we dream too, enough time. But who they can make this possible? I'm not sitting up on a number. You understand? So going on the movie name, choose wisely. Yeah. Bless up everybody. the bus. You go get a green card. Gone. Hello. Hello. Me I go on the road. I will look at work today.
What?
I'm going on the road to go look at work.
Oh, what time?
Because I can't live so. Every day, me have to eat antomo. When I get the money from auntie, me no nyam. Me can't bother with this living now.
But what time you go work? Go early, be?
No, me need to go there early. It's an early bird get the something what I earn. Me no remember, but me have to go there early.
Tell me can't be
Me have to go over there early bird early. So, any business place up in I need work and me first day there.
Let me tell us that the things are slow, things are one at a time. We'll get through this in August.
No, me can't get to me and now. Me need a breakthrough. And you just get up every day. You just say nyam. Yeah, put on weight, look at me. Look at me. When you cook 10 dumplings and me get 2, you never rest. Sometimes I sleep and go back in there. Change your mind everything.
So you expect me to have more money?
See you cook a gravy left in the pot. I'm hungry to get food for God. And the breakfast there. So I have to go now and beg my auntie.
So what you expect from me? Me not to eat? That's what I try to say?
Me never see you not to eat, but you eat too much.
Me not.
Stop eat too much. Me not have money to sustain you.
So you can't deal with me, so what you want me to slim? You want me slim? You want me to stop
when you come
eat?
here, never so big, you know.
You want me to stop eat? Can me do anything for you, know? I tell you want me to stop eat?
You can't still not do that.
Yeah, me stop eat if you want me to stop eat.
Because what day you cook macaroni and cheese and you say, me not take that place. When me asleep, you think me say, you're gone it, see?
But me did hungry. What you did want from me did hungry. Me did hungry.
When you tell me you still me.
Alright, me won't eat anymore. Stop arguing with me, me know you're lying to me and everything, so you
I will make for you want this big old bowl and you can't take it. Me I go look at her. We can't take it. We need money to
but it's too early for you guys. We can't live down now. It's too early. Feel good for the road. You not even reach. Me not think you reach 6:30.
At 5:30 now when me I go.
I go to early if you go look work.
Going out there to work. Any work we get today.
Alright, go
Get money.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's good. Fun.
You understand me? I said, like me at this or anything.
Yeah, me know you're not this. You're never this. Me a queen.
But if you just tone down on the food, you get me? I'll soon come back, yeah?
So early, go at 7 o'clock.
Me I go out there now. Early bird get the most warm.
Alright, no matter, cause I know you're like, come.
Alright.
Listen. Buy me one chocolate for that.
We said tone down if damn chocolate I will get bigger. Jesus Christ.
I'll keep on your palm.
Said really. I don't know. You see over this one I walk and I say there's a nice food, you know?
Thank
Come
you.
over there from this year, okay?
Blessings, thank you.
Call me Toga.
Hello, I'm Shaz.
Nice to meet you, Shaz.
Nice to
Shaz
meet
or Shaz?
Shaz.
Okay. Nice to meet you. You travel.
Yeah, man, I travel. I'm an international woman.
You're a black American?
Well, I'm born in England, but I live in New York now.
Right.
Yeah, I live in New York, my business in New York.
It's a businessman thing. I look on property. I walk. Me a friend. I don't really like walking, but I like walk and see some place to buy. I'm up in a supermarket from the beach.
What, you own business?
Yeah.
The seats.
Cool restaurant and so. You know?
Okay. How long have you been doing that?
3 years now since I left school. Inherit some money from my grandparents, and so we just turn it over, you know?
And invested. Nice.
So you get in a business.
Me, I have a crochet business. Well, I have a brand. I have crocheting. I have a shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm Shaz of Shaz my name. Yeah, man.
One good.
Yeah, I have my brand as well. So this is a relaxed time. I'm a
Oh yeah,
people
you're from
work.
vacation.
Yeah, all work and no play.
You're married?
Well, I keep this on just to keep some people who I'm not
okay.
interested. I'm not really. It's just you know.
Man, so me I search for somebody to grow with the nighttime, you know? Jamaican girl I love. They will get some money and then you live for a period of time. So
Yeah.
yeah, depend on your style. More somebody that grow, you know? Yeah, so me I
Yeah, that you can invest in.
yeah, spend some
your
money
efforts in.
and then spend back some money for me and then we just put it to something and grow together.
Yeah, man, that sounds good. That sounds good. It's hard to find though. It's really hard to find. That's why when you find somebody who's, you know, definitely, definitely.
I'm going to property still and stuff. And then I said, oh, let me check the number.
Yes, definitely, definitely. So where are you looking at all these properties then?
Yeah, well, I come to the beach, man. Them say several properties up on the beach. I sell 20 million. Wow. But you don't really want to spend on big. You want 25 look.
25
Below
million.
25 million.
Million?
You know, minimum.
Yeah, man.
Okay, that's the same name again?
Shaz.
Shaz, nice Shaz.
Yes. Make sure you keep in touch. I know of a few places up West End where you can together.
You can go together, man.
Yeah,
You link up on a time. You walk and look and see what's going on.
All right, link me when you're ready to look. I'll come in because I know a few places. Blessings. All right, bless.
It's like a green opportunity. Make this a miss up. The few moments and you get away. Find What's going on?
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, man.
You
everything
good?
else?
Yeah, man, giving
Just go on
thanks.
easy, you know?
Giving thanks, giving thanks.
Call her earlier on, we don't panic. Go there, look for one property, but tell me something about 30. Yeah, manager, me say yesterday at 25. I'm really sure about that one, you know? So, think you're enjoying yourself?
Yeah, man, yeah,
But
man.
you're robbing your energy.
Oh, God, no. No, nobody, man, no one in our this.
Bandit, eh?
Yeah, but you see, I did tell you, I link me for come with you. You don't know how to talk to me.
Oh, The show when me get up and me just shoot out so.
And so
Some
you
is a
deal
man
with
me just
things.
move, you know. Just watch my face and just get up and just roll up on the road right away. You understand? For a business place, them make sure everything up and running, you know. Like cut off for one of them last night, but we never really cut off by JPS. Like some electrical problem, wiring and
Yeah.
so forth. But we start out a new step, you know. I'm worried, look a bit.
Don't worry, be happy.
It's a nice day. It's a breeze out.
Yeah, man. Beautiful day. Everybody can sunbathe. Me a sunbathe too. So some me ease off and hold the vibes on your weights.
Like that blind.
Yeah, man. Live life to the max.
I think that we can go on.
Oh, you feel left, yo.
Come here. Can I come there?
Okay.
Yeah, brother. Oh, that's what my little ass.
Come on. What hour?
You feel like woman here over here with woman.
Give me a sinner. A business lady. The green card. Me a look for.
Green card.
Yes.
Yeah, me I'm call one card green card here.
This is what help me and help you and help mommy and help everybody to me get through this opportunity.
Make sure
You just have to hold your mouth. I've done this and this, but no worry about it. Mommy and my woman, and she love me and me love her, but you know,
you feel like about it.
you know where you go.
How you look over there, sir?
I'm a friend name man, so yeah, me love her.
Woman bumper. So your friend that have.
You me I say,
Yes,
love me woman,
chat.
and she love me, but me happy with her.
Make sure say you remember your woman, but you want green card. You sure say you green card? Yeah.
But no worry about it. No worry about it. Go on,
Say,
yeah? Go on now.
You forgot
Take care. Where you do on the beach? Where you do press up?
what you are the fire.
Me I take care of some business.
Me I take care of some business. That better business.
Go on.
Come
Go on,
here,
juice.
Yeah.
Me soon buy a juice.
It's a you look more green card in hand with dollar in your package. No call she me man and make sure say not dismiss the woman because I'm a friend. Don't this her.
Nah, this I love her.
When you love her woman they give her a ball. You don't really need one green card, don't be everything, don't be everything you want.
I relax. Walk, go here.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah.
Go on.
I was a woman.
No, sir, I'm a sister, man.
Okay.
Big sister, the small sister, man. Small.
Okay.
She just go and check this shop and obviously she will come in vehicle.
So she just run like something.
No, mom, I tell her to go and get paid tonight vehicle. This one attention, you know.
So I can come with you and the little movements with you and your sister.
Oh, no,
Free time, you know.
no, yeah, no, because you see, the business place is kind of hectic and also, you know, so inspector people come here, give them a club license, to come inspect the place and so we can start with certain things. So, they make your sister go help out on the things and you have one bag of running up and down, you see it?
Yeah.
Can't go and walk and talk to the
Yeah, man, definitely. So this club is a nightclub.
yeah, be a night thing.
Okay. I get VIP pass.
Yeah, man, you never come to my thing.
Sister now. Come on. Oh, look on look for you. How are you, man? Oh, in their work. Which work? My man, their work, girl.
How are that supposed to make? Why you laugh for?
Your shoes are working on.
The sure are working there.
What kind of work?
You know, say man deal with some business. What kind of business you could have deal with? He said yesterday and get him up.
Yesterday?
Yes. So I'm not sure what kind of work, but I know my guy work. I'm sure of that, girl. I want
Not that child don't happen, but I can look to see if I really working yet.
then I could have what else he get.
must know.
I like that. That sound like you know something.
I don't know nothing at all. We don't know nothing whatsoever.
Oh, they try. But anyways, in their work, I saw him there wait for to come in. I don't know it take so long.
Work. I just hope everything alright with you and you're well and everything. Well.
So girl, are they here?
Yes.
Let me pull out to that. Finally.
Yes.
They look thirsty in the past few days. I tell you. They just look dry and thirsty.
You don't watch my head. You watch your man.
But me watch my man, for my man they are working comfortable.
Make sure.
They come like you come with some sort of problem.
No, my brother saying now.
You can't tell me nothing about my man. My man not look bad.
You sure about that?
I'm sure of that.
100% sure.
100%.
Put your head on the block.
Head on the stone, they could have chop off my neck and see where me be believing that him. He not do nothing.
You think I'm brother than he? What are you?
What me I that with?
Can you say you put your head on black for man? Never yet do that. Don't do that.
Girl, me love me man, so take me know if you fucking not this me. You know no reason for this. So what you talk about? Where you come here for with this type of thing? Your own brother, you try turning woman mind against him.
No. We don't do that.
Then what you do then?
Me I try wise up you.
Wise me up against your own brother. You try mash up your relationship. I try mash up your relationship.
Mash up relationship. Just look what you.
No, me no need to look. Cause me know my man, my man perfectly fine, he okay, and he not give me no problem.
Remember say you can't read so good enough. So you feel mind anything when you do. No making you fool you.
I want you try to say me done. Me a no idiot girl, me know if you fuck my man love me. He
Spell rat. Spell it. You don't know nothing.
You not feel me know he.
Spell it then.
Me know he. Spell it. Just leave me out. Let me out.
No, let me out.
No, why you come here with your one baga.
I don't know what my brother.
You come and tell me about my man. Me know my man alright with party there. I know he love me and he care for me. Me a no idiot. And you are saying you can't find a good man. Leave from here, so man. You want to come tell me again.
I have my man is up on a vacation. I'm just cannot find him at the moment. You know,
that's why I need to go find your man. Go find a man and I worry about my man. My man will not give me no farm about. You're crazy. Man alright, man doing good. You understand?
Baby!
Sure.
Baby!
Yes, babe.
Yes. Baby.
Oh, me get a tree back door.
No, I told me walk around back up all the week.
Where you come from?
Baby.
Oh, where you come from?
Work today on the beach. To me run out the farm this morning. I remember when she come late and I don't want to lose hope. When I run out and jump over, let me say something, just run out.
So make your sister make it seem like your sister.
What she say?
He come out today, I look for you and I ask and I tell me say if me sure say you're gonna work. I mean know if you're fucking not this
probably I
so
she want from me.
No,
big.
No, she didn't say you're sure saying gonna work. I will make she didn't do that. Cause me know if you have you not this me and I know you're not style.
She don't like when me happy. And me tell mommy she grew up, she just jealous.
And that me realize so you have to cut her off you cause me can't take them something and me don't want nobody bad mind me from my relationship. Me tired of bad mind people, brother.
I tell her so when me there, don't come up here.
Exactly.
Don't come up, don't step foot in the yard.
Like I don't know say me man loyal to me.
You know that already.
Like completely. Me know me have no question about that.
Me I go make it point of my duty to man. Tell her don't come back over me yard.
Right. Me don't want to.
When you alone there, don't come. None talk.
None talk.
Because she want to come back and turn her mind.
You can't turn me mind against you because listen, let me tell you this. You're the most loyal man never come across.
Most loyalist.
You come home on time. You show me text where you text with people and me read them.
And everything.
And the thing.
phone. Yeah.
Me read them when you say you rate the person. You say you rate the person as a bestie and a best friend and then so now me understand the situation there. Yeah, I know you're loyal to me. You have one girl in your phone by the name of what? I can't remember her name right now, but I know it's that girl there and you know nothing.
Friend.
Of course. I'm an idiot. I can't read.
How you cook?
I cook. I don't remember.
Remember you cook? Yeah, cook bully beef. My time I get sick.
I don't cook. I remember. I know I cook something nice for you.
I get it.
I know I cook something nice for you.
This time go share the food.
Send on my phone for.
This time make a call one.
To who?
Somebody important. You're my boss. Check on my boss. Check on my boss. And my boss not that.
So, what got today? You did go alright and everything?
Good, you go good man. I soon tell you about one man.
Yeah. Go share the food.
Yeah, good night. Yeah, I just reached you, you know. Yeah, it was a good day, you know. Enjoy yourself. Okay. Well, I'm going to try and make it better. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'll call you back, alright? In the morning. Alright.
How would that be? How would that
I'm the boss. Can't tell me say me do good today. Boss, I tell me say me do good today.
Oh.
And I tell me say me should get up more early. And so I'll come early.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
You understand me, don't?
You don't never do that, babe. So come on, man, stop going.
No, because our body alone, you want, don't it?
The body they alone and for me.
Right.
I feel that.
No.
Yeah.
It's alone, don't it?
Alone.
No, I'll get the food.
Get it. You know, make you never find. That's a mistake.
Hey.
What's going on?
Oh, it's around here. How are you?
Yeah, I'm just rush out now to put on anything. Just rush to me have a house on the beach, yeah. Just rush out.
I love that. Eager. Listen, I've got a proposal for you. I was looking for somebody, you know, who is perfect for this, and love how you talk. I mean, love your ambition. Look how you're serious about
I
business.
got everything going on, you know.
Yeah, man. Listen, my friend linked me from New York, and we got big investment deal going on. All right, and the reason why I'm telling you this, you might be wondering. The reason why I'm telling you this is because the check for you, you know.
Yeah, man, you know, see, I check for me, so you call me and not saying me good and, you know, you see, like what's going on. Connection.
In real life, you know, when people say, you should tie the knot. Because as much as I love Jamaica, it's New York the thing there.
Yeah, man.
I would have loved to tie the knot, send for you, I go back over and deal with this thing, send for you, and you get you your green card and everything.
Yeah, man,
by the time, I see, but I love the way you're talking, I just love your energy.
Green card.
You have to have them the kind of paperwork, you know, that you deal with government system.
Still, you know, I don't really have a foreign mind still, you know, but like you say, we just have to work with that, you know, get the green card and we see what transpires from that.
Excellent, excellent. I love that. I love that. You know what? Certain things have to do and certain things have to tie up. And the business that I'm doing and the business I'm starting, the investors want everybody to put in a piece of footage, you know, show the seriousness and get this done. This is fast money, you know. This is fast money.
You can just put in the money on and everything go through.
Yeah, man, yeah?
Yeah, man, you can deal with it.
Alright, well, it's 20 million we're going to need, you know.
We?
Well, me put in my piece, but we want a bigger investment. You see, if we put it in like how we married, I will put in as a one investment, as one, like how say like how you throw partner. When you throw two hand better than one. So me put in my money already, but I want the best for you. Cause I see the potential you have in a tugger. I see the potential, I want you for growth. Once you make the money, you know, if you're not foreign minded, you can go anywhere.
I see how much of it. I'm say I like bank transfer like that.
No, bank transfer. No problem. I'll send you the details. But if you know what, I should have better. I should have better. Less traceability. And this thing like good. So then they give you the option to do whatever.
Yeah, man, I'll get you on the everything alright though.
Yeah, man, everything good, everything blessed.
I'll pay you money that's 20 million. What happened?
That push me not
You want something to eat? Stop me soon, carry something to eat. Me soon get.
Come here, come in hungry. We don't hungry. You need to have about 20 million. You have money. We all get the money there from.
It's a thing we are talking about invest. And she got invest, I think.
Oh, she got invest in you?
Yeah, me I go get it. Me tell them I get it.
We all get 20 million from.
And oh you hear that?
No, you don't worry about that. We all get it from.
I know me, she
go hear the woman say you run out. Let's move. Which work can I do? Which work can I do? All work can I do? Tell me where get the money from.
Me I go borrow and take out investment.
Then you're not investment loan, you're not own a company, you're not own a business, you're not working job, so then now you no money, so when you get the money.
I go take out the loan, I go let me personally sign some paper and
yeah, tell her what she sign the paper for.
She good man, she just sign the paper and me carry her give me one of my dog. I'm not checking yet, but you know say
make sure she read the paper, tell her because
you know,
she can read.
It's like you don't want me girlfriend.
We don't get money from me, don't want to say me where you girlfriend.
You don't want me girlfriend. You don't want me get green card.
Me never say that. When you
every time me I get, where you the train or something?
What you know? Your woman said you run gonna work. So this is not no work. I know say up see your punk. You're not looking for your food. No, don't see me. Where you get money from?
Come on,
you get 20 million from. You know no job.
You know, so me not care who me I go.
Me not business.
Anytime we get the green card, you don't ask me for nothing.
Look where you want go.
Don't ask me for nothing, no shirt, no blouse, nothing. Anytime me I come down, me I pack a barrel anytime me I come down.
You see look water is up? Me like the water what there. Me like the sun. Me like everything what they are Jamaican. You know, broke man God nowhere back can do. When you look where they go down, we start fear for $30.
Me I go make life. Me I go land of freedom. Me free. Me I go make pay money. You don't understand like that.
You are free like a bird. I'm fly like a bird.
Your mind young.
You don't
understand.
I am the bigger one. I'm saying I don't sense. Don't get too much money from. Make sure say I know who me teach you to go borrow money from me know. I will dead. They will die.
Go on, I'll
you take up one and that woman they have money. You show that woman they have money, but she said she have money. But she was sure you want money yet.
You have much business and brand and stuff. Go on, sister. If you just want to life from you want to hold me down. I want to hold me down. Go on.
Me don't hold back from danger. Come
alright? Yeah.
Look how you look for now, right? You look for now, you tell her you own much business.
She just said she wants something to eat.
Stop to say me hungry, I'm hungry. Look how you tell us you own much business. And you don't own a business, you put up a shit till you say she own property.
Let's say you are a man,
Look at me just know. You don't see that? Eh?
What?
Me want you know, when you talk in a shit pit, no call me name, come in and help you. Oh,
one.
Me just go and tell you never want you.
The soon come here, we just eat. Let's go and cook till me come. I don't yeah, get to eat.
Okay.
Just, yeah,
Pretty mad.
10,000 to go eat something.
So is that why she was mad at you?
Yeah, man, I go back down still and cook. 2 days time or something, I can get money.
2 days?
Yeah, man.
The full 20?
Yeah.
Alright.
Full 20 million and everything. Not that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And then I can make the stars.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Let's get the ball rolling.
So, nice doing business. Yeah, man. We get in there. Eh?
Yeah, man. We're getting there.
Then we reach over so we just kickstart things and
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Get the money and everything will start.
yeah, man. Alright.
Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Do your thing.
Anything, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Do your thing.
But the woman money from winning the money. It's up here, I know you can't feel it. Now it's up here again. Yeah, leave back there. What? And now you can't be a while ago. You're easy now, you think you're easy. What happened?
Yeah, man, I go from sweet out the dance and I out them.
There's one piece of water now and maybe you put up water and place. Right now, go for it now.
Oh, yeah, me.
Eh?
Yeah, me.
Yes. You know what I'm saying? What?
Yeah, me.
Well, you're a street boy, you don't want to chop no yard. You don't want to chop no way.
I think me and this one, me and hunt work.
Yeah, so.
No, but I mean, that really link the point.
What one?
Yeah, me and look at
Alone.
really.
Like how much up? Come on, like, so when you was, eh?
I know man, 120 million. That's what me and invest in a
20 million.
yeah, really big.
I not so much. I never make them money there. I can't help it. But I know somebody who can't help. Hold on, I know one man who can't help them. He's run a loan place down Sagamari. But that man you know you have to sign over your life and sign over somebody else. Like.
No, but it's this.
Yeah.
I mean, I do.
Yeah.
It's a go work. So, and then it's not much like whole life or better, you know. Because I'm not losing life.
So you're willing to sign over your life and make
No, but
money?
then to what me I do, I go work, so it doesn't matter.
Oh, okay. Alright, share your number now. You want the number? Listen to me. When I'm birthday, you know. When I'm birthday, they do it and him there again.
I'm not serious, man. Anytime you borrow from somebody, he make sure selling.
Alright, see the number there.
Where you go?
876
Yeah, me have that.
585
585
1433.
1430.
But I tell you something, give a number there. Don't tell me to get the number. But I tell you something.
Sure, it's a big thing. Yes, you go put you can get a spend to.
Alright.
Forward.
Come on, new machine. New machine.
Rustic one.
Or waka.
If you forward to me buy a land, couple land.
No, I don't want a lawnmower, I waka. Well, lawnmower day is done. And cut off days that kind of feel out like you said.
So it's just one different thing.
Yeah, I'm going to put work there now.
Yes, we can't come there.
Yeah, forward.
Yeah,
So much. Now I want to cut that down somewhere. My plan is to do it for our work.
Well,
I will asleep.
yeah, man. Just falling the vibes and enjoy. How you do?
Yeah, man, just go and easy, you know.
You get through?
But them took me and fly around.
At evening time and through sunset.
Oh,
You get through?
kneeling again. get through, but I get through.
You get through.
Yeah, I get through. This close, but I get through, you know? And suppose if I'm not tonight, what do I say? If I'm not tonight, tomorrow, man.
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow good?
Yeah, man, if it's tomorrow morning, soon o'clock. Because as soon as you do it now, we can get the ball rolling and put in the investment and start it.
Last night, me dream about firing me. I said, Jesus.
Oh,
me
God.
I don't know what they're looking about. You know, I watch movie and I dream. I said, fire me, here I come.
Dreams come true.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. When you get your green
I'm
card.
going to miss the business place they want to you know?
Yeah, man, but you can always go and come. America with the money there, you know. Jamaican dollars and monopoly money. So get your green card, come over, get your green card and do this investment and thing. And you're going to see how things are running. You can go back with them for a minute if you leave your yard. Yeah, man. I like it too.
You like?
I love it.
So, how long you process did that take?
Right, alright now. So you're gonna give me the money tonight.
No, tonight or tomorrow.
Yeah, man, so we think positive. You're gonna give me the money tonight. Alright. So once we get that now, we'll go and we give it to my friend and deposit it and then we'll buy some Bitcoin. When they buy Bitcoin now and invest the Bitcoin, and that's gonna turn and give we double, triple in no time. I'm in the middle of a bull run now.
Green card, man.
Oh, the green card things here talk the investor. Green card, you see what I mean?
No, man, we don't worry about money. Green card.
I like how you're talking. Don't worry about money, the right thing.
Yeah.
The green card thing now, all we have to do is we get my license and marry. Me and you get married now.
Yeah.
And thing, and we start the process. Me will go over ahead and file for you.
I'll come after you.
You have to stay here and do your medical and the hosted and comforting. Yeah, man, it's a long process, but the sooner we start it, the sooner the better. So when you give me the money later tonight.
Yeah, you know I'm pass, I'll get the money.
Yeah, man.
Where's the cash on?
Yeah, man.
Cash with a better.
Yeah, cash with a better.
Right, so when we done start to come and we sign up some more paper. Yes, I make one of my sister also sign a couple paper card, you know? Yeah, we don't know by the word them use. I remember about something where you have to them have to hold on for something for you can.
Oh, like guarantee.
Yeah.
Guarantor. Okay.
So I have 10 million, I have to get the next 10 million from the bank. You know, like, I don't have the money, you know, but like.
So when you go get the other 10 million from the bank?
Yeah, tonight and tomorrow. Yeah, man.
Alright. You know, so you should round up everything, you know, because this is a surge. You can't lose with this, you know.
Yeah, man.
So they tell you to round up everything, and then you can buy one house you did go buy for 25. You can buy 2, 3 for 30, 40.
Any money?
Yeah, man. Sell your house, sell your car, sell everything except me.
Yeah.
Sell everything, man, and give me the money. We invest it.
So, like, when I really like sell. Yeah, really like sell, but I get the money.
Yeah, man, we start off with the 20.
Yeah?
Alright, yeah, man. Call me tonight when you get it, yeah?
Yeah, man, I'm move now, yeah?
Alright. Walk good.
Yeah, man.
And walk careful with the money, you know.
Yeah.
Make sure you bring it.
Yeah, man, so what about it? Everything done? Good. You know, top of the road, we got time, my son, crying. Hold on there, just hold for the car. What I said? Come on, son. You know what I said.
Papa,
Yeah.
you know me never really come to man like a own, you know, because I don't want him to come bang around. But the only reason I come to you is about my boyfriend. I find borrow the money from you and he couldn't have it to pay back. I don't see him back, so I know when they would I want him.
Your boyfriend?
Yeah.
So, what that's got to do with me?
Me know what happened to people who hold me, you know. You think me an idiot? Is it me a fool?
Find your boyfriend borrow the money in a plane, he took, you know, come back here.
You don't take no plane. You don't have no money to take plane. If you don't have no money to pay you back, when you take plane, me an idiot? You want me, man?
Oh, a man truck right just so you know the best thing you just go away over here. Because listen, me not night with you. Your man come and borrow money, yes? I don't see my money back. And I don't see him.
You're more than him. You see matter like you see him. You have to do something to me, you don't need that.
So me I have to do something to see him?
Yeah? You don't need that.
Listen, you have disturbed my car right now, you come talk about me. What me I do? What me I do?
You don't know what you do. If me I did him far away, we do there just right now.
Keep it that way.
Man.
Listen to me. Check her later. I do for an important call, right?
We may check you later and find if you tell me which part in there, because I know so you can find me, you know how to find people, I don't idiot.
You do that chat up your mouth. You know who you are there with?
I'm not idiot.
Try move. Before me not do what I want. Move.
Make sure I come back and find money. Make sure.
Ray, you sure murder that good? Yeah, try one and just come out to me. Yeah, man. Alright, thanks. Everything good.
Hey! Good?
Yeah, man. Look out, you know?
Yeah, absolutely.
Really look out, man.
Like this?
See everything
Like this?
in the bag.
Okay.
Whole 20 million. See?
Yeah, man, it's heavy for true.
Everything in there, the whole stock, everything. So, well, go.
You do the right thing, man. You do the right thing, right? So if I have this now, we can put it in the account and send it off. They'll get that. Today is what? Thursday. They'll get that. We do that before 4 o'clock. They'll get that today, and they can start the ball rolling from tomorrow.
Yeah, man. So you like need my passport and everything?
Yeah, man. But what I'll do, I'm gonna start the ball rolling, and then I'm gonna get the form for you. To get the green card, for me, have to get it for you because I know I'm flying.
Yeah.
So here what? Like how time they come me, and I want to get it off action today. I'm gonna leave soon. It'll go wait till tomorrow and then weekend and take long.
Oh, yeah, you want me to come with you?
You're right. Because it's boring. I'm like a phone him, and it's kind of funny with strangers. So let me make the link. Do what I have to do, and then later tonight, we phone you.
So you know come back here, sir?
Yeah, man, I gotta come back later with me phone you. You see once
You could wait for you?
Yeah, man. Once we do it something, we'll link you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? Alright.
Yeah, wait for you.
Yeah, man.
What's the road?
Yeah, man. Watch the road.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Take care. The sun come.
Yeah, man, what's the road?
Yeah, man.
Foreign, you see?
I know they are about things.
Yeah, the pan church from morning, Ted.
Seeing. Brother, I'll just say thanks for reaching and think
Yeah, sure, I know I'm real GC. I show up from morning, so I'm there for it's much fun, I just show me take off.
I understand, no worries, respect, man. You are going, see? You know, so I mean, someone just like, computer programming and so forth.
Yeah.
You get one go work now, I have to go for a week, and it's like only person I can think of who can help me out in this situation I'm in stutter. Is you, cause you know my woman now is like she kinda want to help for do certain things like to get
move around and stuff.
Yeah, buy food and you know maybe she want grocery.
Can't help her out, man. Can't help her.
Can't help her out, yeah man.
Cause you know some of man me not too work, you understand?
Yeah, that I think me I help you out. If you can get a little extra food, cause he's a good youth. He's a genuine.
No, no charge still.
No man, this is no more charge, brother. I accept it as a gift from me. So me I accept to do a favor to others as you others do. Exactly. So what I'm gonna do is make she call you, and then when she call you now, she can actually organize, you know, when and when.
How long you plan?
1 week, brother.
1 week.
1 week. 1 week.
But I trust me with the woman still, you understand?
Yeah, brother, come on.
Say me not do no funny move,
no man.
You understand? Come like that. But I'm a woman for know herself.
Nah man, yo.
I watch her still for you know.
Brother, respect man, respect. Me know man.
Know herself.
Nah man, my woman good. My woman in a certain thing. She not to watch TV certain time. She know nice social media kind of vibes. So a different kind of species.
They run test pan and anything there.
Nah man, I got me work with man. Just me work with, so just show me and make me feel contented.
All woman here say loyal still.
Yeah, no man, listen. You say woman only no liar when you do them something. You have to give them a reason for. So you spend time on them, you give them all them need, their money, you know, attention, you know, rub them foot when they come in, when they call you, answer them phone call. Yeah, they not cheat on you like that. So my woman knows, me knows that she not craving. Cause greed sometimes make woman cheat, you know. Not that. You know, she contented.
Just have to listen to you, because you all me have more experience.
Yeah, man, I tell you. So your girlfriend?
You know, he's a man to go road. Not yet still, but one day we find one.
Right, man, sure.
You know?
Well, in that church, you're going to find a nice church girl. Alright, girl,
yeah, that's
fine.
my mother will say. But the church girl is bad and sneaking.
I
don't see nobody at church or not that one there.
You have to find the right one. Yeah. You remember say Bob Man sing a song there, one love, one heart. At least one sing.
What different is still? Much still you plan for?
Yeah man, alright. Is it like
me? Really charge you know, you just buy me a drink.
Me know, but is it?
Do you want to know a figure, so
I get like a 40,000 brother for a week. You know what I mean? $40,000. That's what
that good man.
Yeah man, so she but from woman love for me, she love to eat. So she go, you know, busy and call and something. So maybe all one night we can even just jam there and thing. You know?
No sir, me not jam there.
Alright.
Me go up something.
Yeah man. So you are one.
Sleep man.
Me will shout you.
And later there me.
Exactly, respect man. Alright. That's how I trust you now.
Yeah.
Trust you bro.
I'm a G man, me not go past no limit, you understand?
So tomorrow then.
Tomorrow.
Me shout you. I give you your number now so you can call and talk to you, and then after that we'll move on this. See?
Oh yeah, if 9 night man.
I for 9 night, man.
9 night.
9 night. That must make she call and shout you. Oh, yes, man.
Just call me same time now. They are shoe boat and just get everything in place. You understand?
Alright.
Best of it.
Everything level, man. As I said, there's work me I think about and how we will organize.
Yeah, I do, man. Because I feel type of work that
respect.
A long time. God always.
Trust you, trust you.
Yeah, man.
Respect, yes, sir. Alright. And thanks for coming so late. Sorry for so late 9 night, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Sure, I'm saying. It's even though it's a willing and giving and thing, I don't trust people officially 100%. So I know when you go on like you give in, don't call them certain time. When I want to money me that's the first thing. You understand? So if you call him, they can deliver everything outside. You understand?
Okay. No, that doesn't sound bad.
Yeah, man. I'm just going to trust everybody like that.
So basically, max that question, so that you might have the number, right? Because if I'm going to deliver, I might have the number. So when you reach in call me and tell me, say.
But babe, stop going to... So me making call you.
Oh, him.
Him same one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know where Come on, dude, make me start get worried a little bit. When you're on the way now to come. You're on the way if you come. Don't go downstairs, I'm not even far when I reach. Yeah? So, I'm making money away. But babe, give me 1 second. You know, car, man.
Alright, just leave it down there.
I could car and come. Yeah, brother. Yes, I give one quick call before. Yeah, man, she kind of sensitive. I'm gonna trust her all the way through. You understand? But most want to confirm before me bring her down here. She never really talkative and she never look up nothing in her face. So if she don't say nothing to you, don't make you feel like some boy she don't want you around her. Alright? Yeah, man.
Public. You.
Okay.
I'm not a cameraman.
Oh, babe. See her in person.
Hello.
You man this?
Yeah, man. You see her before?
First Wednesday.
First Wednesday.
I feel woman no come out.
Babe, this is my bedroom. Togadan. It's my only Brittany. You know, I need to talk about, so you go kind of, anything I want, like if you want food and so forth, if you want to go down there town, you can drop out the car. You understand?
Yeah, man.
So you can go.
Anything, my handyman.
So basically, you understand? So basically, I'm not gonna make you stress. Cause I know you go stress. Don't tell me the day I can help you, and the help I don't know what I'm to have for this week. She just cancel for me like that.
So, him a go deal with all of
Yeah,
that.
man, me I do everything for an hour until Friday. Yeah.
Alright.
So any little thing, the car, if you want to tie the paper, you call. And we just explain, huh? So we catch it.
Tell the people, can't do fast. You know?
Oh, me just say examples.
No, I will take too far. But everything alright.
She's a nice girl still, you know. She's nice. You understand how you love her. You understand?
I true, man. Yeah, bro. So it's because I'm going to left in the night, yeah. Because I'm a car if I make you.
Yeah, man, me understand, man, because it needs to air in the night.
So, we talk, yes, sir?
Yeah, man, just call me. Even if ever I can call.
Anytime.
Anytime. I'll be right through. The night, you will come out there. Yeah, man. Yeah, cut, yeah?
Yeah, man, cut one, man. Yeah, man, respect.
Journey, you know.
Thank you, man. Thank you for taking up the offer. Yeah?
So when I receive it,
We talk, man. We talk. Where is it?
Alright.
I must have a number and I can call and talk to you. See?
on WhatsApp, I'm gonna use this straight card thing.
Alright, no problem.
Alright.
Respect. So later, you gotta take good care. No worries, sir. Yeah?
Hopefully.
No, man, good man.
Right time come.
Well, you can't do that with something like
Sorry. Sorry. Right time come, man.
What one?
There, man.
I'll go up and look at it. See how it is.
Nice, man.
You don't know anything on.
I feel a bit, I'm gonna check. Fear boy public. A long time high school. My tell me say, I'm go up and I'll career. 1 week, I'm left with the woman.
Left you with you what?
The woman. And then do a damn thing, man. Public trust me, you know, say, me not fool around her.
Trust you?
Yeah, he trust me.
Me can't get him a look in.
Well, when I want, she call me, 40,000 she might pay me,
You say?
for 1 week.
Hear me say?
I'm not really charge him still, just to buy me a juice.
Oh man, that good man. You know me what you do for me. Cause I see me and the man, I know the man from high school, you know. And you see in high school, they did have one pretty piece of Indian. Crystal the boss. Oh my goodness. I say I love crystal, tell me.
You know, you love the Indian, brother.
Brother, I'm gonna know how this man I tell this crystal in a be. Make the crystal talk to me. She do make me say no matter how much roses, no matter how much love letter me spray cologne pan and send go give her. No talk from me. I only feel find up on the show. But she and my bridging, good bridging no apart. But I say good
You take your girl.
From in high school, they love my heart. I know my heart now come back. The man take my heart. Heart beat, my brother. Right now, me I tell you say, but you what me want you to feel. Yeah, brother.
No, really, no bad.
No, man. Nothing bad. Nothing bad, me I do, you know. We like, hold on there. You love you come over me and go eat food, don't?
Yeah, I'm taking
And you want food, don't? So here what you have to do. If you want me cook food for you 1 year worth of free food, me I go give you. Every day evening you come, you get a plate of food. This is what you're going to do. I want one time you go to the yard. I want you to take your little time and you wiggle your way in, you see me? You know, you force on for that.
no, you do pull when you go over there. We have to struggle.
Me not talk that way to my boss. Me talk like get team with her, get close to her, get to know her good. You know, make she trust you, make she can't go in back to go be.
No trouble.
No man, he not go say nothing. He not go vex. Cause me never did vex when I take out my girl in high school. See me still living. Me have one heart left, but that instant me still living. So I don't need to do this, man. I want to get team with her. I want to make she trust you. I want to team with her good, you see me? I want to make it mash him up.
No, one she deal with me good, me deal with her good. Understand? Says me go buy something for her, she take me, so good.
Me not talk them way the bro man. And I saw the tip figure. You want you give her the tip.
Oh, you want me to tip her?
Yes, you understand when I say tip her? Yes, man, boy, you tip her over and bend her over a certain way and put him in a certain position.
And make you just say that, man. Broke public now, I beg still.
No, you know? But when him not know now gonna hurt him, it's only me
True,
and you and she.
I get food.
Only three we are gonna know about it.
True.
So me, I have my little secret now upon him. I did mash me up, man. Remember, me have one heart left, you know.
Yeah.
Me have one over him when time this go down. But you see where we do, it's not how you do it. You have to come tell me immediately as it starts. You have to tell me about it.
We can go over there tonight, no? We're gone.
Even you gone already?
You reach to the end of the movie, bless up yourself. I understand? Give thanks to watch the movie real to the end. I get me. And as me said in the front part of the movie, if you out there and can donate or sponsor this trip for me, hit me up on this number. I would really appreciate it. Alright? Bless up everybody. Hope everybody have a blessed weekend. Understand? Bless up. Don't say that.